Guys, for today's video, pag-usapan sana natin yung more on C-Bank credit lang talaga. Apparently, mula nung nag-start na magkaroon ng C-Bank credit, na-stock sa 2.95% ang kanyang interest rate. So that's a monthly interest rate of 2.95. Ngayon, nagkaroon na siya ng mga promotional interest. So yun yung pag-uusapan natin. And merong isang malaking update kay C-Bank na kailangan din natin pag-usapan. So samahan nyo ako, pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new here to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko na yan ng videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, yeah. So, couple of days ago na may natanggap akong SMS message coming from C-Bank. Ang sabi niya ay, ito, exclusive deal. You've been selected for a special promotional interest rate on C-Bank credit. Don't miss it out and check your exclusive rate in the app today. And then, when I head to the app itself, clinic ko yung C-Bank credit, may nakita ko nakalagay dito na promotional interest rate nga. Nakalagay dito, exclusive interest rate of 2.5% or 2.50% per month, valid until September 30. Bakit natin kailangan pag-usapan? Promotional lang naman to. Well, this is the first time kasi na nagkaroon ng promotional interest sa C-Bank credit. Hindi siya nagbibigay talaga ng katulad nila one hand or mabilis cash na may discount sa interest, or even si Atome, may ganun na rin siya ngayon na minus 100 pesos sa interest rate if you go on installment, etc. Kay C-Bank credit, this is the first time na nag-engage sila sa promotional activities. Gaano ba kababa itong 2.5% compared sa 2.95% na i-charge sa'yo monthly? Just for example, pwede naman natin to i-calculate using the calculator na pre-provide nila. So dito, pwede natin click yung sample calculator right now. So currently, naka 2.5% siya. So makikita natin yung promotional na interest. Okay, so kung pipiliin natin ang 12 months and kukuha tayo ng 10,000 pesos, so bali ang magiging monthly installment mo ay 1,083.33. So kung kakalculate natin yung 1,083.33 times 12, it would give you around 13,000 pesos or 12,999. Meaning merong 3,000 na interest sa loob ng isang taon. So 3,000 divided by 10,000, that's 0.3. Basically, 30% ang APR niya. I-divide natin to by 12. Ayan, lumalabas nga na 2.5%. So, sa 10,000 at 2.5%, ang interest na i-charge lang sa'yo for 1 year is 3,000 pesos. Pero kung i-calculate naman natin yan using the regular interest rate nila na 2.95, so, ito, type natin 10,000, kunin natin 12 months, ito, nasa 1,128.33. Kung i-calculate naman natin yan, 1,128.33 times 12, it will give us 13,539. So, the difference between the interest ni 2.5% and ni 2.95% is around 540 pesos. So, yeah, may natipid ka na rin talaga kahit papano. Dagdag mo pa yung benefit mo dyan na zero processing fee kapag nag-loan ka with C-Bank credit. Ang babayaran mo na nga lang talaga dito kapag nag-loan ka ay yung documentary stamp tax, which is hindi naman mapupunta yan directly kay C-Bank as a kita or what, but more on mapupunta to sa government natin. With this kind of promotional interest rate, it puts C-Bank credit at a sweet spot versus Bilis cash loan, Atome cash loan, Home Credit cash loan, and other OLAs na nakikita natin dyan. Ang hindi ko na nga lang kinagustuhan dito kay C-Bank credit is that if you decided to close your loan account, meaning babayaran mo na in full, magkakaroon ka ng penalty charges dyan when you're closing your loan. Hindi siya katulad ni G-Loan na kapag close mo yung loan mo with G-Loan is babalik sa'yo yung interest. With C-Bank credit, you may have to pay all of the interest na nakakarga for that specific tenure na kinuha mo. So, ibig lang sabihin na talagang in-advance mo lang yung pagbabayad mo on a monthly basis at hindi siya magre-recalculate. In addition to that, there will be an additional charge for prepayment. Ibig sabihin, nagbayad ka na in advance, meron ka pang penalty involved at babayaran mo pa rin ang interest. The prepayment range around 300 pesos if you plan to close your loan. But kung hindi naman and you will stick to your loan term, wala ka namang babayarang extra. At masasabi ko na hindi siya katulad ng mga online lending app natin na hindi equally distributed ang pagbabayad. We can be sure of na sa 12 months, equally divided yung babayaran mong amortization sa total cost of loan. In our computation a while ago, it's around 13,000. So, 13,000 divided by 12, yun yung magiging monthly amortization mo. So, now na na-discuss na natin itong magandang promotion ni SeaBank Credit, ano ba yung sinasabi ko na may kailangan kayong malaman about SeaBank? Well, apparently, may nag-message actually sa akin na nagtatanong na, Sir Pat, kung magpapalit ba ng pangalan si SeaBank to Maribank, magkakaroon na rin ba siya ng mga credit card? Ang sagot ko doon nung una, sabi ko, well, parang it's unlikely to happen na magpalit siya ng pangalan. Why? Because kapapalit lang niya ng pangalan from Rural Bank of Laguna to SeaBank and then magpapalit ulit siya. Hindi kaya maraming trabaho yon para sa kanila. So, mali po ako and I deleted that message and nag-message ako na I stand corrected. Pagka-post ko ng message nung una, natanggap ko kagad yung news na nagpalit ng pangalan si SeaBank to Maribank. Okay, ito yung announcement ni SeaBank regarding the change in name. Maribank, a rural bank. So, kung makikita nyo, yung logo niya from S naging M. The new name, same trusted banking service. Dear valued customer, I am pleased to share another exciting development. Effective July 31 of 2025, our registered corporate name is now Maribank Philippines Incorporated, a rural bank. This change is part of our integration into the Maribank Singapore Private Limited Banking Group and our shared mission of providing simple, reliable, and rewarding banking service. Please be assured that our name is changing. You may continue to access your bank account and use our product and services as usual, and our dedicated team continues to serve you with the care you've always known. In the months ahead, we'll be introducing more updates including refreshed app experience to reflect this transition. In the meantime, we will continue to communicate with you through our official SeaBank channels. Please follow this page and turn on notification in the SeaBank app for updates. Thank you for your continued trust and for choosing us as your banking partner. Yeah, basically wala naman kakaibang update bukod sa in-announce lang nila na nagpalit na sila ng pangalan, and then eventually later on makikita na natin yung changes sa app. Mag-update daw sila. For me lang guys the change of name is not necessary for me. Hindi naman kailangan. Kilala naman yung SeaBank. Para mas gusto ko nga yung pangalan ng SeaBank versus Maribank Well, it's their business decision na gusto nilang i-align na isang pangalan na lang. Pero as a consumer siguro, as an end user, parang mas feel ko yung SeaBank versus Maribank. Ewan ko lang that's my opinion. But kung parehas lang naman yung service and all and mag-i-improve pa, edi why not, diba? We welcome those changes. Okay guys, for our question of the day, ano maganda nga sa pandinig na talagang pangalan ni SeaBank? SeaBank ba or Maribank? At bakit? Let me know yan sa comment section sa baba at may chance kayong manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Yun lang po for today's video, but before we end, mag-shoutout muna tayo at shoutout kay Lovely Cherry Blossoms at Lovely Cherry Blossoms U3VW. Ang sabi po niya, first, pa-shoutout po Sir Pat, QWERTY from Kuwait. Yan. Kay Miss Lovely Cherry Blossoms, shoutout po sa inyo. And sa lahat po ng nanonood sa atin sa Kuwait, shoutout po sa inyo. And thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos. I hope you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!